We at the Lumibird Photonics Sweden design and produce
state-of-the-art laser rangefinders for advanced military applications with an accuracy of only meters.
We have been in the business since 1962.
We have the high level of technology and amazing people.
You can find our laser rangefinders in combat vehicles like the CV90.
And we have the whole value chain from the first idea to customer delivery.
We started our journey in 1962. It was 2 years after the laser was discovered. We are a Swedish company. We are owned by a global group based in France, and 2022 we came into the Lumibird group.
Not many people in Sweden knows a lot about laser technology, but we do. At Lumibird Photonics Sweden, we design laser technology, and we produce very advanced laser rangefinders for military purposes, and we sell those to Ministry of Defenses around the world.
We have, since 1962, delivered around 5,000 laser rangefinders.
We have more than 40 countries that are using our laser rangefinders, and they've been doing it for more than 40 years.
Here at our Gothenburg site, we do not only have offices, we also have our production. In the production, we are producing all small sub-assemblies, which sometimes only consists of an optical part and a mechanical holder. That later on is integrated into the large laser rangefinder, which is assembled, pre-tested and acceptance tested prior to customer delivery.
You can find our laser rangefinders in all kinds of equipment. We have them in the fighting vehicles like the CV90 produced by BAE Systems, and we have them on the frigates and battleships where we have them on the weapon sites. For very important fighting in the ground-based air defense, where you fight drones, that is a very big threat in Ukraine, you can see our laser rangefinder as an important part of the Sky Ranger 30 produced by Rheinmetall Air Defense. Our lasers are not red, they are not green, they are invisible and cannot be seen from the human eye. And that is because our laser rangefinders are eye safe. You don't have to worry about looking into the beam and damage your eyes, which is a new requirement that most customers have come up with lately. We typically can measure distance up to 30 or 60 kilometers. When we do this measurement, the light that we emit typically has the length of 5 meters. So 5 meters laser go out in the air and it reflects and returns. The time for this light to be outside of our little box is typically 0.2 milliseconds for 30 kilometer range. The most advanced requirements when it comes to laser rangefinder always comes from the fighter jet industry. Lumibird Photonics Sweden are the preferred solution for the Rafale fighter produced by Dassault, where we are the integrated part of Thales weapon site.
I enjoy working at Lumibird Photonics Sweden. I think it's a great workplace. From my perspective, it is firstly the people that works here, the kindness, the strong sense of teamwork.
We have a company with a lot of different kind of professions. You have the possibility to develop yourself, and we have a very nice atmosphere here. We treat everyone here with respect, but also with kindness.
Lumibird is a great company that provides a good work-life balance, and I also value the opportunity for professional growth and development.
In summary, Lumibird Photonics Sweden designs the most advanced laser rangefinder you can find in the world. And that is thanks to all the fantastic people that work here.
We believe that work should spark both balance and brilliance. Here everyone is involved in the whole story, from the first idea to the final product in your hands.